Hey guys, what's up? This is how to clone 2 drives using Paragon Disk Manager. So this is the drive that we want to clone to an empty drive. So we want to throw that in one of the caddies right there. Then we have our second drive, which we want the data to be on this drive, and we're just going to throw that in there. Make sure on the back to turn them on, and then you'll see them blinking. And then what we want to do here is open Paragon Disk Manager and give it a quick moment. Now in Paragon Disk Manager, it will show all of your drives that you have in your computer. So not just in your tower, but it will show both of those drives. So you have to know which drive you're going to copy onto the correct drive. Now this drive right there has nothing on it, so we know already that it's going to be this drive. So it does take a little bit of time. Okay, so now we are here. So we want to go right here. And now here's all of our drives. So in this computer, we have the C drive, which is Windows, and then we have another drive, which is titled E, which is the E drive. So we know it's not those drives. So we can also see this is the drive. This drive right here is that drive. And then we can see the drive that's unallocated, which is this drive right there. So now what you want to do is click on the drive that we want copied, which is this one, and then we want to copy disk. Then this screen's going to pop up and it's going to say what drive do we want. And usually if there's nothing on the drive, the second drive that you put on, it would automatically go to it. But you could always choose which drive you want if it's not already this one. So you can click before changes, so there's nothing on it because we already know there's nothing on it. And then we can see what it looks like after changes. And then if you have like a partition on this drive that's like this amount like over here is unallocated, and then there's stuff over here, or if it's another, these are both 1 terabyte. So if it's a smaller drive to a bigger drive or whatever, we want to click this and click copy with proportional resize. Double check it again, make sure that's the correct drive. We can copy it now. Yes, we want to copy the hard drive. Click next, and then it will start copying the hard drive. It will be copying this hard drive to this hard drive. And then give it some time, and then it will be finished. If the drive is failing, it might say I/O errors. You can skip it or just ignore it. And then, because if the drive's failing, you might want to go a different route of just backing up the data instead of trying to transfer it. It might say that there are errors. Fix the errors, like Windows file errors. And then Paragon will actually fix those errors as it's transferring. But that also doesn't work all the time if your drive is corrupted, or if your drive is corrupted due to the drive failing. So that is how you use Paragon Disk Manager. Very simple to transfer or to clone hard drives.